Hello and welcome to the latest edition of GearShift. I'm your host Ron and I'm thrilled to bring you the latest updates from the world of cars. Today we're starting with some exciting news from Africa. Ford has announced the launch of its all-new Ranger Raptor, built to take on the toughest terrain. With a rugged exterior and powerful engine, this beast of a vehicle is sure to turn heads and conquer any obstacle in its path. In Japan, the new Toyota Supra is making waves with its sleek design and lightning fast speed. In Europe, the Lamborghini Huracan Evo is turning heads with its eye-catching styling and breathtaking performance. And over in America, the Ford Mustang Mach-E is breaking barriers with its all-electric power and cutting-edge technology. It's clear that the world of cars is constantly evolving, and we're here to bring you the latest news. Whether you're a fan of speed, luxury, or innovation, we've got you covered. So buckle up, folks, because the ride is just getting started. Thanks for tuning in to our Car News Roundup. I'm your host, Ron, and I'll see you on the next time with more exciting news from the world of cars.